Breaking news, tutorials will be included with registration at PowderMet2024 and AMPM2024, the powder metallurgy's industry premier conferences. Now let's go live to MPIF Executive Director and CEO Jim Adams for more on this developing story. Jim?
Hi Diane. Wow, great news from Pittsburgh. For the first time, daily tutorials focused on press and sinter, metal injection molding, and metal additive manufacturing will be offered to encourage cross-pollination of these exciting technologies. These tutorials are targeted to product designers, engineers, consumers, manufacturers, researchers, educators, and students. All delegates should increase their knowledge of these exciting powder metallurgy processes. Diane?
Thank you, Jim. Hopefully we can dispel the myth that atomization started in 2014. Be sure to register by May 3rd to save, and don't miss being entered into a drawing to win one of our MPIF wooden watches. Register by February 29th for your chance to win. Scan the QR code or visit PowderMet2024.org for details. We look forward to seeing you in Pittsburgh.